Today, I'm showing you how to make super crunchy spicy lemon potato crisp at home. They are crispy, tangy, and so addictive. You won't believe how easy they are to make. If you love crunchy snacks, then you will definitely enjoy these homemade potato crisps, also known as potato chips. They are perfectly golden, full of flavor, and much fresher than the store-bought ones like Lay's. Let's get started. For this recipe, you need some Irish potatoes. I'm going to use this one. So step one, we have to prepare the potatoes. Start by washing and peeling the potatoes. I've already washed mine. I'm using potato peeler to peel my potatoes. If you don't have the potato peeler, just use the normal knife and be very careful. Don't harm yourself. Once done peeling, discard the peels, then slice them very thinly using a sharp knife or slicer. Thin slices are very important because they help the chips become light and crispy. And be very cautious while doing this. Look at the way I'm doing it, and this is the right size. Try and cut them evenly so that they will cook at the same time. It's not very easy with a knife, but keep on trying. Maybe if you start slicing, it's quite challenging. They may not be of the same size, and the more you keep on doing this, you will just perfect it. Guys, thanks for stopping by. And if you're coming across my video for the first time, feel most welcome. And if you like what you're seeing, kindly consider subscribing. For more amazing recipes like this, press the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Watch the video up to the end and like the video. Thank you. Step 2, transfer your sliced chips into a bowl of cold water, and this will help them not to discolor as you work on the remaining ones. Wash them several times until the water is not cloudy. This is to remove the excess starch. Step 3, soak the potato slices in a bowl of cold water with salt and vinegar and let them soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps remove the excess starch and makes the crisps savory and crunchy when fried. Step 4, we are going to dry the potatoes. After soaking the potato slices, remove them and spread them on a clean kitchen towel and pat them dry very well. This is to remove the excess moisture. It's important so the chips fry properly and become crispy. So if you want your crisps to be more crunchier, don't skip this step. It's very important. Once you've pat them dry, transfer them onto a wide plate or a tray. And the potatoes are well dry. You can see there's no moisture, no water at all. So they are ready for fry. So step 5, frying the potatoes. Heat oil in a frying pan over a medium high heat. To know when your oil is ready, simply drop one piece of potato slices in the hot oil, and if it floats back, that means your oil is ready. And once the oil is ready, carefully add the potato slices in small batches. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring gently so they don't stick together. Stir them as you keep checking on them from time to time so that you don't end up with a burnt offering. Keep frying until they turn slightly golden and crispy. Then remove them from the hot oil immediately. Don't let them turn brown as they will continue cooking from the outside. And place them on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Wow, looks so beautiful and crunchy. You can hear the sound. We are going to repeat the same process with the remaining potato slices. Step 6, final step, and this is optional. If you like them spicy, season with any spice of your choice. You can add paprika, black pepper, or any of your choice. Here I'm using salt and cayenne pepper and sprinkle them while the crisps are still hot. Sprinkle as you toast gently for even coating. And finish with a light squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Just slightly, we want to keep the crunchiness. Toast gently so all the crisps are coated with that delicious spicy lemon flavor and still retains the crunchiness. And that's it. Beautiful, golden, crunchy, spicy lemon potato crisp. Perfect for snacking, movie nights, or serving guests. The flavor is crispy, spicy, tangy, all the same time. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy homemade recipe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.